There, welcome back to part 5 of this series on how to make money online. The e-learning industry is really booming these days. It's projected to grow beyond $300 billion in the next few years. So why is that? Well, people are hungry for knowledge, and honestly, they're willing to pay for clear, structured, and practical learning experiences. Online courses let you teach once and sell repeatedly, build your credibility, earn income passively, and reach students all over the world. It's definitely one of the most scalable ways to make money online. Start with something you're familiar with. You don't need to be a world-class expert. You can teach things like how to use a specific software, basics of graphic design, how to stay productive, social media tips, simple fitness routines, budgeting or personal finance, beginner photography, learning a language, or even resume writing and job search strategies. Ask yourself, what do people often ask me for help with? Have I overcome a problem others still face? Can I break this topic down step by step? Even simple topics, when well explained, can be super valuable. Before creating anything, check if people are interested. Go to YouTube. Are there videos on your topic with thousands of views? Check Udemy or Skillshare. Are there similar courses? Use Google. Are people searching for how-tos and guides? And don't forget Reddit or Quora. Are people asking questions about it? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. You don't need to be original. You need to be helpful. Plan your course with structure and simplicity. Break your topic into 3 to 6 modules. Each module should focus on one core idea. Okay, so here's an example for a productivity course. First up, we start with an introduction. Then we move on to setting goals. After that, we'll cover time blocking basics. Next, we'll talk about eliminating distractions. We'll also go over some tools to stay focused. And finally, we'll wrap up with some final tips and bonus resources. So, try to keep your videos between 5 to 10 minutes. Honestly, it's better to have more short lessons than fewer long ones. Make sure to write your script, or at the very least, your talking points. Don't improvise. Clarity really does matter. You know, you don't need a studio or expensive gear. Okay, so here's what you need. A smartphone or a webcam, a decent microphone, or honestly, even just a quiet room can work. You'll want some natural lighting or, just a regular lamp. And don't forget about free tools like OBS Studio Loom or Screencast-O-Matic, super helpful. Trust me. For visuals, you can use slides from Canva, Google Slides, or PowerPoint. And here's a pro tip. Don't just show your face the whole time. Mix it up with visuals, bullet points, screen shares, and examples. Try to keep the pacing steady so your students can follow along without getting bored or lost. So there are 2 main ways to host and sell your course. So the first option to consider is using course marketplaces, like Udemy or Skillshare. The cool thing about these platforms is they already have built-in traffic, so you don't really have to worry about finding your own audience. You also don't need to market yourself, which can be a huge relief if that's not your thing. Plus, it's pretty easy to upload your course and launch it on these sites. But, there are some downsides too. One of the main cons is that courses on these marketplaces usually sell for lower prices, often somewhere between $10 and $30. Now, the second option is to create your own course site. This route gives you a lot more control over your content and pricing. So, one of the main cons is that, you need to bring your own audience. It's a good idea to start with a marketplace to test your idea, and then, if it works out, you can switch to your own platform. Just remember, don't undervalue your work. Alright, so here's a pricing guide for you. For a mini course, which is about 30 to 60 minutes long, you can usually charge between $20 and $50. And for a standard course, which runs around 2 to 5 hours, you're looking at a price range of $50 to $150. Now, if you're offering a premium course with some extras, you can definitely price it at $200 or more. Basically, the more value, support, or resources you provide, the higher you can set your price. Just remember, people don't really buy a course for its length, they're buying the outcomes. If your course helps someone start a freelance career, build a website, or even launch their very first business, that's honestly worth real money. Alright, once you're ready, go ahead and upload your videos, organize them into lessons or modules, and, don't forget to write a strong course description. Make sure your course page includes a short intro video, a bullet list of what students will learn, and requirements like basic tools or knowledge. You'll want to add a few bonuses like worksheets or checklists. You can also include quizzes or assignments to make your course more interactive. Then, it's time to publish. If you're on Udemy or Skillshare, promotion is definitely easier, but, it's still smart to share it on your own platforms too. Try things like a short YouTube video explaining your course, or maybe Instagram Reels or TikTok with a behind-the-scenes preview. You could also make a Reddit post in a relevant subreddit, or share it in a Facebook or Discord group where learners hang out. Make sure the value of the course is clear, and focus on results. So, ask your first students for their thoughts and experiences. Was anything confusing? Did the course help them? And what would they like more of? Update your course regularly. Add new content, better examples, or clearer slides. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to solve a problem. Once your first course is live and working, here's how to grow. Create more courses on related topics. Build an email list of students. Bundle courses together. Offer one-on-one coaching. Start a YouTube channel to bring traffic. Launch your own course website. Courses can turn into a full-time business. Many creators earn thousands every month just from a few well-made courses. Online courses are one of the most powerful ways to make money online, especially if you're serious about building a long-term income.